How to change text font and style in PixelLab. Want to make your text look stylish and unique in PixelLab? Today I will show you step by step how to change the font and style of text in PixelLab quick and easy. Let's get started. First things first, open PixelLab and create a new project. Tap the default new text to add your own text. Tap on the text box you want to edit. You will see the editing options appear at the bottom. Tap the A icon text menu at the bottom. Select font. Browse through categories like default, fonts, my fonts or download your one. Tap a font to apply it instantly. PixelLab lets you customize styles too. You can make your text bold, italic or underline it. You can change the color and gradient. You can add stroke and shadows too. Pinch or drag the text box to move it around, resize or rotate for the perfect look. And that's how you change text font and style in PixelLab. Perfect for making thumbnails, posters or creative edits. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.